Well, we're almost 6 weeks old, and we are doing a combo meal here. Little Bella and Edward are eating from the bowl. We have some titty work. They're just so big, but Mom still lets them do it. I don't know how she does it, but she does it. Ozzy, that's not your water. We got Woodster and Mamba. And we also have Indiana Jones on TV. Pretty good gathering here. That's good, Bella. Good girl. It's a cool action. But at the end of the day, everybody's waiting for puppy leftovers. We know it. No! Lula, no. Thank you. That's what it was all about.